Kardex, as one of the world's largest manufacturers of automated vertical storage systems, we assist electronic manufacturers in managing assembly reels and component storage with efficiency and precision. Participating in electronica and productronica has been an incredible opportunity for us to meet, engage and strengthen our relationship with our prospects and customers. We are excited to continue exhibiting at this event and looking forward to a successful exhibition in 2026. Thank you all very much.